This insect is collecting pollen from common sunflower and fully loaded with pollen. What do you say? Is this housefly or honeybee? Before exploring its identification, please subscribe our channel. If you see it carefully, it has constriction between abdomen and thorax, hence it's come under Hymenoptera insect order. It's a eusocial insects, so they have division of labor. They are small in size, about 0.2 to 0.6 inches. They are brown or black in color. They have white bands on each abdominal segments. Wings are membranous. When light strike on wings, refraction produce metallic sheen. They have bands of hairs on outermost edges of their abdomens. Female carry pollen on legs or hind legs. Hence, it belongs to Halictus genus, family Halictidae. So, commonly this is called furrow bee. They make nest on ground or in rotting wood. Furrow bees does not make honey like a honeybee, but they feed on pollen and nectar and collect it for their brood in nest. It is generalist forager and pollinators, means they collect pollen from any flower, hence pollinate any flower. Generally does not sting except they are thirsting for salt. They take salt from human sweat, hence also called as sweat bee. So please comment it's harmful or beneficial.